Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Wowbutter Easter bars. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, and we are going to melt that. 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. 1 cup of Wowbutter. I'm using the crunchy, but you can of course use the creamy. Either one is fine. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 6 to 8 ounces of the Whoppers Robin Eggs. I have 2 of the 4 ounce boxes I'm going to use here. 16 ounces of the vanilla candy melt. You can get that at Kroger, and it comes in that little container where you can just melt it right in the container. It's very convenient. And then if you want some sprinkles for Easter, so I'm going to use these little bunny hops, and then I have some blue and purple and green and yellow. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we are going to line a 9 by 13 baking dish with parchment paper and just set that to the side. A little trick is to go ahead and spray the pan first and then put your parchment paper in there, and it sticks better. Alright, so next I am going to take my butter and melt that in the microwave. Alright, my butter is melted, so next I am going to add in my graham cracker crumbs, confectioner's sugar, Wowbutter, and my vanilla extract, and just mix that with an electric mixer until it's nice and combined. Alright, that looks pretty combined to me. So next I'm just going to take 1 of my packages of robin eggs and fold it into this mixture. Okay, that looks good to me, so I am just going to spread that as evenly as I can into my prepared pan. Alright, my mixture is all spread. I just pretty much took my spatula and just worked it. And don't worry if some of your eggs are showing, because we're going to do a layer of white chocolate. So go ahead and unwrap your white chocolate and stick it in the microwave. Okay, my white chocolate is all melted here. You just want to be sure that you do not overcook that because it could burn. So next we are just going to pour that evenly over top of the rest of our yummy dessert. Alright, that looks nice and evenly spread to me. So next I'm just going to add my sprinkles and my robin eggs. Alright, my sprinkles are added, and I added on my robin eggs, and now I am going to put that in the refrigerator for 60 minutes. Make sure that you press your robin eggs down a little bit, because you don't want them to fall off of the white chocolate. You want them to get nice and pushed down in there, so when the white chocolate hardens, they stay in there. I forgot to add my little bunny sprinkles in there, so now my little bunny sprinkles are added, so now they can go into the refrigerator. I took my bars out of the refrigerator, and as you can see, they came out really easy out of my pan using my parchment paper. And next I am just going to cut those into bars with a very sharp knife. Okay, so I'm cutting mine here. I tried to use this really sharp knife and it didn't work, so I'm using this little knife. And it's kind of cutting like you would see like bark. It's kind of breaking apart, but it still tastes delicious, and it's really cute that way. So I guess that's what our bars are going to look like. Alright, these are all ready to go, and as you can see I have some little, some big. You can see some of the eggs on top, and you can see some throughout. They're so cute, so we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Bye.
Bye.